Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about and compare Tailscale and WireGuard. First up, we have WireGuard. It's a lightweight open source VPN protocol known for its speed and simplicity. WireGuard offers strong encryption and minimal latency, making it perfect for users who want raw performance and don't mind doing some manual setup. It's great for tech-savvy users who need a fast and reliable VPN. Now let's talk about Tailscale. Tailscale is built on top of WireGuard, but adds an easy-to-use layer. It automates network setup so you don't have to worry about manual configuration. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your existing devices and identity providers like Google or Microsoft. Tailscale is perfect for team collaborations, remote work, and personal use, especially if you value convenience. So do tell me in the comments below which one is better. If you are a DIY enthusiast, you need raw VPN power. Go with WireGuard. But if you want hassle-free, user-friendly solution, Tailscale is the clear winner. Which one do you prefer? If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.